Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to say numbers in English. We'll start with the basics and then move on to combining tens and units to form numbers like 25, 42, and 76. Let's get started. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. How can we combine tens and units to form numbers? For example, to form 24, we use 20 from the tens, as shown in the previous slides, and then add 4 from the units. So 20 plus 4 equals 24. To form 51, we use 50 from the tens and add 1 from the units, so 50 plus 1 equals 51. To make 33, we take 30 from the tens and add 3 from the units, so 30 plus 3 equals 33. To create 99, we use 90 from the tens and add 9 from the units, so 90 plus 9 equals 99. To form 77, we take 70 from the tens and add 7 from the units, so 70 plus 7 equals 77. Now it's your turn. Time for some exercises. You'll have 10 seconds to think, and then the answer will pop up. The answer is 65. The answer is 43. The answer is 57. The answer is 88. Great job! That's the end of the exercise. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Keep practicing, and see you next time.